In this session, we'll take a detailed look at one of the most widely used Java frameworks in the world, Spring Framework. Whether you are new to Spring or have used it briefly, understanding its core principles, benefits, and structure is key to mastering modern Java development. Let's begin by first understanding what makes Spring such a compelling choice for developers and companies alike. One of the defining characteristics of Spring is that it's lightweight and open source. It was originally created by Rod Johnson in 2002 as an alternative to the heavy and complex EJB means enterprise JavaBeans model that dominated Java development at the time. Since then, Spring has evolved dramatically, and it's now maintained by VMware under the Apache open source license. The lightweight nature refers not just to the size of the framework but also to how non-invasive it is. You don't need to adopt a rigid structure or use special objects, just your standard POJO, plain old Java objects. This means developers can focus on business logic rather than boilerplate code, making development much more productive. But Spring is not just simple, it's also comprehensive. It provides a modular architecture where you can use exactly what you need and leave out what you don't. For example, if you just want dependency injection, you can use Spring Core. If you are building a web app, you might use Spring MVC. If you are working with databases, Spring JDBC or Spring Data JPA will help you interact with your data layer effortlessly. This flexibility means you can build anything from small utilities to large, enterprise-grade applications, all using the same core framework. Additionally, Spring integrates well with popular tools and technologies like Hibernate, Kafka, and cloud services. This makes it a true backbone of many Java-based ecosystems. Now let's talk about scalability and security, two pillars of any enterprise-grade framework. Spring is designed to scale with your application. You can start with a monolith and break it into microservices over time without switching frameworks. With tools like Spring Cloud, you can build resilient, distributed systems with support for service discovery, load balancing, and configuration management. On the security side, Spring Security is a powerful module that handles authentication and authorization. It supports standard protocols like OAuth 2, JWT, and LDAP and integrates easily with third-party identity providers like Okta or Keycloak. This makes Spring an excellent choice not only for performance but also for meeting modern security requirements. One of the most transformative additions to the Spring ecosystem has been Spring Boot. Before Spring Boot, developers had to write extensive configuration files, XML and Java-based, just to get started. Spring Boot changes that by following convention over configuration, which means it automatically configures your application based on the dependencies you include. For instance, if you include a database dependency, Spring Boot will auto-configure the data source for you. It also ships with embedded servers like Tomcat or Jetty, so your application can run with a simple command, no external server deployment needed. This results in faster development, easier deployment, and overall greater productivity, especially for agile teams and startups. To summarize, the Spring Framework is a powerful, flexible, and modern toolset for Java developers. Whether you are building small utilities or enterprise platforms, Spring offers the right balance of simplicity and extensibility. With its support for dependency injection, modular design, integrated security, and rapid development via Spring Boot, it continues to be a foundational pillar in the Java ecosystem.